Pop the trunk already?
Yeah.
You can. You're welcome. I got my thing from the junkyard. It's still there. So thankful for that. Just a quick little battery replacement right now. And then we go to the storage and check this engine out.
Been busy early this morning.
Yeah, I had somebody had to change the alternator on the car. But yeah, I'm pretty much only working early mornings on weekdays right now, so I be getting up early and just doing what I can in the morning. Okay.
Is that the same thing though?
What?
Yeah. Okay.
What you mean, the battery?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just like a different, style. It should fit though. Hearing some kind of noise.
You stay on this side of
Well, I grew up in Locust Grove, like when I was younger, but I live in Conyers now.
town? Oh, okay. That's not bad at all.
Yeah, not bad. Well, I see what happened to your battery.
What?
I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Take this back off. It's just this piece right here, or the battery, like this piece broke off in there. So that's probably why it wasn't working right. The whole terminal done broke.
I need to buy another.
Well, no, it came off of like the actual. It ain't this piece. It's the piece that came off the battery. That.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why your battery wasn't working.
I thought because it was sitting there so long.
Oh, it was being sitting.
Yeah.
Could be
I
why.
got that car, and I just started cranking up this car.
Okay. Well, are you gonna start driving it again?
Yeah.
So I about to say, if you don't drive it, just take this negative cable off so it won't kill the battery.
Okay.
So if you just let it sit again, just remove this one so you don't kill your battery again.
Okay. The whole thing came off.
Yeah, whole piece came out of the battery. Be careful with that battery, don't tilt it over. Put this one back on. You got a tire that go back here, or you don't got a tire no more?
Right here. Or what?
The tire that go on here, you don't got it no more?
It never did come with a tire.
Oh. Just go on here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cool. It's in there. Okay.
They got that nitro in the tire. I didn't know.
In these tires?
Uh-huh.
I know they be in some tires. I didn't know they be in Camaros.
Yeah, that's because it don't have a... They got to go right there.
Oh.
That's because it don't have a spare. Because what I did, I had told the, when I took it to the dealership thing,
Let's go on top of it. Okay.
I told them to take the nitron out, just put air in it. Then I had a flat tire when I went to the dealership. They was like, you have a flat tire. You put air in it? Yeah, they said, you're supposed to because we got nitron in it. Because you don't have a spare.
So it's supposed to just keep. It's supposed to.
It don't be
If you don't put nitrous in there, it'll keep losing the air.
right.
Basically, okay. That makes sense. So the only way it holds the air is if it's just nitrogen air.
Yeah.
But how do you get nitrogen air? You have to go to a certain place?
The dealership don't want to really do it. Don't nobody
Oh, so nobody else around here do that, huh?
Yeah, they don't see
So the only way I guess to change that would be get new tires,
Yeah.
and that's gonna be expensive, right?
Well, it wasn't bad, but
Oh, you got new tires already?
yeah, I got to get some more though. Tires hold up good. Like, I spent a lot of money into the car.
Mm-hmm.
But then when I got my new car, I just stopped driving this car.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, okay, let me start back driving, and the battery went dead. So my nephew, he was like, Auntie, what you gonna do? I was like, nothing really. He said, can I have it?
Yeah.
And I was like, yeah, because he's a good kid. And I was like, yeah, I said, you can have it.
Like,
Let me get it back cranking and stuff.
so you gonna give it to him, like,
Give it to
or he gonna pay you for it?
No, I'm gonna give it to him.
Wow.
He's a good kid, like for real. He loves cars.
I mean, that's good. If he deserves it, and you.
His thing about it, he was like, Auntie, I know how to drive a stick. And I was like, no, you don't.
Oh, he do? I don't even know how to drive a stick. I gotta learn how to do that for real.
You don't? Yeah.
I need to. I want to.
I'm gonna tell you, this is the best. They tried to steal this car so many times.
Couldn't do it, huh?
But they don't know how to drive a stick. That's the only thing that saves. The stick shit. And I thank God for it. And you know, all I had to do is just get out there and just go for it.
Yeah.
My brother told me, he said, man, just go.
Yeah, it ain't that hard, huh? Cause I know it's just like you just gotta know where the gears are, right? The right place.
Yeah,
So
you got, cause it's a six shift.
Mhm. 6 speed.
6 speed.
Mm-hmm. As long as you know where the gears, which way the gears go, you really can't mess it up unless you just it slips your mind or something.
Yeah. Got cash if that's fine.
That's fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's 100 little tea.
Appreciate you.
I'll be using you because I know I'm going to have to do something else when my brother don't come.
Yeah.
They live in Savannah, but they going to come down and my brother going to do some little stuff to it.
Man, yeah. Hey, long as he take care of it, hey.
The body good. Like,
Everything good. Honestly, it sound good.
it sounds
Look good. The paint good.
and he
The rims good. No scratches, nothing like that.
2011. It sounds good.
Sound good. What is it? Is it the V4 or the V8? I mean the V6 or the V8? Oh, it's V6. It's like it's misfiring a little bit. Probably because they ain't been.
Oh,
Probably misfiring. Your shaking light on? Let me see. Hold on. If I can find my. Yeah, if you ain't been drove in a while, then you probably need new spark plugs and stuff like that, cause. Oh, the check engine light not on.
well, we knew the chain, because it needs a timing chain.
Oh, it do.
Yeah, it need 3 of them. Well, it's 3 of them that's supposed to be holding it together.
Oh yeah, it do need timing chain.
Yeah.
Well, you don't need to drive it until you get that fixed.
Yeah.
Cause that can mess up the engine. If it skips even more, it'll mess up the engine.
Okay.
But
Because they going to get
I definitely do that work though. So.
You do?
Mhm.
The timing thing?
Mhm.
How much you charge to do a timing chain?
For this car,
My mechanic can do it. They can do it.
cause it's hard for a lot of people to do it. I'm not gonna lie, but
Yeah. Because it's 3 of them. So I tell them.
yeah. All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right. Quick and fast. Let's get back to Conyers and might try to get this engine out of here. Or I might wait till I pick up my daughter. I don't know. I don't know why I'm gonna tip that up. All right.